Banana.
Go ahead.
Oh, I have to wait. Kasi wait na kan. Tomorrow.
You need scissors.
Yeah, I do. Oh, wait, I'm good. You're killing me. Is a box in a box? I swear, there's one more box.
Here, give me that big one.
Okay.
I don't know.
I can tell that Dad wrapped this. I'm gonna. I swear, we're just airing here.
Aaron.
It's another box, isn't it? There's gonna be another box. If you wrap this thing like 100 times.
I only had to do with the present and not the wrapping.
That might need scissors.
I'm gonna need
Because I used thick tape for that one.
I knew it. I'm gonna need help. Okay. Thank you. Oh my lord.
It's not even taped all the way.
Yeah, there's a box inside of here.
Does that one need scissors?
Yeah. I think I scratched myself.
You okay?
I'm just sick of this.
She's sick of this.
And there's still another box in here. Is this the last one?
See if you can get that one.
Oh my good lord. How much wrapping paper did this take?
All the scraps.
I need help.
You got
Here
it?
you go.
Wait. There we go.
There you
Yeah, you got it. Not as bad.
It's still a. Oh my
go.
god.
It's still a box.
If this is the grand thing, I'm gonna kill you. Ah!
What about the
Does that one
one?
need scissors?
Just go around.
I heard you wanted some Ritz crackers. That was from Dad.
There's not air.
It's not air.
You have to open that one
Oh.
too.
I thought that was it.
And he never told me this.
I got it. No, I don't.
No.
You got a Ritz cracker?
Yeah.
No. No, that's not it. There's still gonna be another one in there. Oh my goodness.
Anyways,
Oh
already
my
over at this
goodness.
point.
Oh.
Weird.
What do you mean it looks weird?
Why does it look like that?
What does it look like what?
Ow. Is that my nose? Of course. Why do I have to get trolled?
I mean, if the win, there's no more boxes, right?
I mean, hey.
I said that if there's one more, I'm gonna laugh. If there's one more, I'm gonna laugh.
I think there is. Yeah, there is.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yes, this really took every bit of scrap. That's why it's not in there. I swear.
Anyway, question. What does that look like?
A phone?
Now they will.
If there's another one, I'm gonna laugh.
I think it is. Yeah, there is. Dad's smiling. There's another one.
You can take it out without ripping it.
I can't.
Might even like.
You need to rip it then.
Yay, your phone! Finally free!
I can't. I swear, this is a troll.
That's actually in there.
That's what you should have done.
I had ideas, but I already wrapped it.
I did not let him do that anymore.
Open it, open it.
Careful, it doesn't have a case on it.
Yeah, it doesn't
Oh,
have anything.
man.
It's all set up, huh?
It's charged and
It's
everything.
charged and everything.
Oh.